बट ये मेरा डिसीजन बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता है, साफ सुथरी एंड मी नॉट पॉसिबल. बट some of us like it dirty. But I actually believe हर स्टोरी का अपना नरेटिव होता है. और अगर आप होम देखेंगे वो भी साफ सुथरी थी, बिल्कुल मैंने उसमें कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं किया था.
Have Sarita Tanwar, Murad Khitani, Ashwin Varde, the cast: Vikrant Masi, Harleen Sethi, Jitin Gulati, Simran Kaur Mundi, there is Pooja, Akriti, Akashdeep, Farida, Poppy, Ramakant, Meherzan, Sheetal, and the extended cast. Please come on stage. The director Santosh Singh, musicians Dev Negi, Yash Narvekar, Miss Pooja. On stage, please. The broken pieces coming together on stage right now. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the reason that we're going to be extremely happy. Let's hear it for the whole team. Broken but beautiful. And I want to ask Sarita right now. Like she's full batti si, chhatti si, everything. Okay, how? Like butterflies, elephants, rhinoceros, kya ho raha hai pet mein? How much excitement?
Actually, nervousness bilkul nahi hai.
Haan.
Because I know we've done a great show. Reshu's written a wonderful show. I have all these wonderful people. I had a wonderful cast and crew. So I know we've done a good job. And you've already heard the great songs that we have. So yeah, I'm just waiting for 27th November and hope you all like it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Can you hear it for Sarita ji, who's all smiles from the time she's arrived, looking gorgeous. Could I also call Rana on stage, please? And anybody else who's associated with Broken but Beautiful on the stage, please, in case I've missed your names. Now, coming to the cast. Are you ready to be grilled? Kamzor kadi kaun, nahi? Vikrant is also like all smiling. Vikrant, your association, of course, has been earlier with Ekta and now with Broken. Like, how not broken are you to be a part of this?
Is Reshu here?
Reshu, yeah. Is Reshu Nath here?
No, I think so.
No, okay.
Oh, I guess she hasn't made it yet.
We'll keep announcing for the cast and crew.
Yeah, I mean, like, as you said, this is not my first association with her. And I'm really thankful to her as always for, pushing my own boundaries as an actor. And I'm really excited. 27th ko aa raha hai, so everyone's keeping our fingers crossed. I'm not as confident as Sarita ma'am. I think I will only sort of breathe a little better after I see it. But I'm really hoping that people, enjoy it as much as we enjoyed making this.
Listen, you have to keep passing the mic to everybody who's a part of you. Okay? Part of your cast, so that we get to know a little secret before we watch. Harleen, where are you? Harleen, go for it. Harleen is like, nahi, mujhe mic mat dena. Go for it.
Because it's my first
Web
digital
series.
debut, yeah.
Yeah.
I have only thank yous to give to Ekta ji, to Sarita ji.
Gee, she doesn't. Sarita. Correct?
We actually call her ST.
Okay.
We
so
have
we'll
a
call
very
you
love
ST.
and hate relationship.
Actually,
Yeah.
producer Didi.
Producer Didi, she reminded me.
Hashtag producer Didi.
Hashtag producer Didi.
Okay.
The amazing actors we have on board. Vikrant, obviously, I had such a good time shooting with. I learned so much. So yeah, just all thanks to the amazing team that I worked with. And yeah, butterflies. But like she said that we are confident in a way. Yeah, slightly nervous. So mixed feelings, mixed emotions.
Listen, I think everybody here is extremely confident, so you don't have to be nervous at all. We're getting like amazing vibes from this
Oh,
already.
I'm shivering.
Okay, Ekta. Dun again.
Dadang, dadang, dadang.
Yeah, so, you know,
goes all
we
to
dadang,
me.
dadang, dadang. Okay, but why do you think Broken is going to break every other stereotype about love on television and on web series? See, web series also, we've seen so much that's happened about love, you know?
I think web shows don't do that much. They don't explore love so much because there's so much more to explore more. But I feel in between the creases of storytelling on TV and film, we have lost out on some very small detailing. Love is usually when people meet, they fall in love. I've done it many times. Dupattas fly, songs happen, चाँद के सफर में and all. But we never deal with what is called the internal struggles when someone walks out on you. I don't know how big a show it will be, कितने record तोड़ेगा, but कहीं ना कहीं कुछ shows ऐसे होते हैं because they deal with such simple emotions, they have huge connect, and I want that to happen.
Wow, and it sounds very exciting. Let's hear it for Ekta Kapoor. And
I have to say this.
Yeah.
This is my, I think, third outing with this boy. Many years ago, there was a boy I saw, and he was working with me. His name was Rajkumar Rao, and he had cut his hair for bows. And I remember Mohit Suri telling me, I think कोई film के लिए उसने अपने बाल काटे हैं. तो I said नहीं, एक वेब शो के लिए. वेब शो के बाल कौन काटता है? I said उसने काटे हैं, और वो भी कोई बड़ा इंटरनेशनल ऐप के लिए नहीं, मेरे ऐप के लिए उसने बाल काटे. I said, ये आदमी इतना बड़ा स्टार बनेगा. The second person I'm saying this about is this boy.
Wow, really?
I have a feeling in my heart, we will see Vikrant grow so much and he'll make me so proud.
I mean, that's so sweet.
And Harleen, of course, is one of my good friends, and I think she has done a brilliant job. This is just the beginning. She's gonna shimmy through the crowd.
Yeah. Listen, you guys are already doing single parties together. We've stalked you enough.
Guys, it's called Jungly Billy. Our gang is called Jungly Billy.
Jungly Billy. Wow.
Very contrary to the kind of role she's playing on the show.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to now open the questions to all of you. Anybody who wants to ask a question, we'll pass on the mic. हाथ ऊपर कर दीजिए, तो माइक आपके पास पहुंच जाएगा.
There's a party going on behind. I want to join them.
Yeah, there's a Sangeet, ladies Sangeet happening. Okay.
Hi, my question is to Ekta. Why did you decide to have an album for Broken? I mean, what made you decide that you need original songs?
I think it was a joint decision between my producers, Sarita and me. She had some great music and she wanted to do originals, you know. She was very clear that an album like this, unless it is a song that has not come in film, the originality would go if I tried to take a movie song and put it in the album. And I think she's 100% right. Of course, it's very tough for us. We are a new app to promote the songs. We've used our television resources. We have tried up now, but the kind of response we're getting, I think she's 100% right. We should always try to get originals for web shows, especially
so will we
Love.
see you kind of venturing into music production soon for your own shows?
So it doesn't, I mean, it's not going to be structured. It's ad hoc. It depends on the show that needs it. And I'd like to support good shows with fresh originals, you know.
Thank you.
Anybody else?
Yeah, my question is for Ekta ma'am. Since it's called Broken but Beautiful, so the series is about heartbreak. So I wanted to know if you have ever faced any heartbreak moment in your real life.
Deep.
This is as close to my broken heart as it can get. So, yeah, I have had loss of self-esteem. I have faced, after being so successful in certain sections of my life, felt unsuccessful and felt broken and felt low on my own confidence. Felt like when somebody walks away from you, you realize and you feel like you're not good enough. And then you have to start loving yourself. This process that we all have faced has become the narrative of this show.
Thank you so much.
I want to say hi to Ekta, Ashwin and Sarita. And question to Sarita.
Before the question comes, can we have all the journalists out there clap for this journalist turned producer?
Jyoti, you hadn't noticed that I had given my mic away.
And exactly what Ekta said, my question was that, how is the transition from being a popular journalist to being a popular producer of a web series?
I think I'll let the people decide that. I've always been on that side and I'm on this side for the first time. And I'm just going to say it was wonderful. I really enjoyed myself. And Ekta was the one who called me one day and she said, I knew I wanted to do this at some point, but she called me one day and she said, you know, I have a show and I think you should listen to it because you'd want to be a part of it. And she just told me the title of the show. She said I was broken and I said, I'm on. It happened like that.
And like Ashwin, you also will be quitting journalism to concentrate
I've already
more.
quit journalism a year ago.
Thank you.
The most active row right now is that one. सब line में pass कर रहे हैं mic. Go for it.
सरिता जी, बॉलीवुड की कई ब्रोकन स्टोरीज आप जानती है, तो इनमें उनमें से कुछ आपने
इसमें सिर्फ मेरी, एकता की और वो जो राइटर है रेशुनाथ, उसके टूटे हुए दिलों की स्टोरीज है और किसी एक्टर एक्ट्रेसेस की नहीं है.
अच्छा एकता, ये अच्छा बाकी और वेब सीरीज के मुकाबले ये काफी साफ सुथरी है, इसके अंदर कई हमने गंदगी नहीं देखी.
बहुत बिल्कुल साफ सुथरी है, आई मीन रियली दिस इज नॉट.
तो ये किसका डिसीजन था, आपका था ये?
You spoken soon, that's what Sarita saying. But ये मेरा decision बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता है, साफ सुथरी and me not possible. But some of us like it dirty. But I actually believe हर story का अपना narrative होता है, और अगर आप home देखेंगे वो भी साफ सुथरी थी, बिल्कुल मैंने उसमें कुछ contribute नहीं किया था. But I actually believe every story has its own. This is about the heart, not about other parts of the body. So let's keep it to the heart.
Okay, विक्रांत, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, कभी आपका broken हुआ है heart?
Where are you, Mr. India? अच्छा, sorry, first row. Yeah.
She already answered the question. अच्छा ये asking
असल में आपका
अरे भाई ये मेरे broken heart की कहानी, और क्या जानोगे, बस और कुछ नहीं है. It's actually a journey and a process I have felt, so I have written it.
Vikrant, my question is to you. How much learning of your past relationships have you brought to this show? How much have it helped you?
I think bits and pieces of all my relationships. You know, it's an amalgamation of all my relationships. You know, I have been answering the same question since morning, that how much of me do I see in Veer? I think एक बहुत ही generic upbringing रही है मेरी. I'm a Bombay boy like anyone else. I've had my fair share of relationships. I've sort of broken people's hearts, I think, and I have had a broken heart too. So it's a good balance, I think.
Harleen, same question goes to you. How much have...
Same answer goes to you.
Copy paste.
Yeah, like he said, I mean, we all bring ourselves to the character. So yeah, we had to visit some dark spaces and be in that mood. So it wasn't that easy. We were pretty broken. I was pretty broken for a while we were shooting, and thankfully I found love when I started healing in the show. So the show has really helped.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Slow clap.
Too much detail, sorry.
Also, Simran and Jitin, I have to ask you guys, because they're also like standing nervously. Mike, kab hamare paas aayega? Simran, let's start with you. She's hiding, huh? Simran.
She's too tall to hide.
Yeah, go for it. Can we have the mic? Yeah, great.
Simran, I want to ask you a question. How does love look from that height?
Good one, brilliant. Love की ऊंचाई पर हो तो.
Hello. Well, it looks the same and it breaks you also the same. It's the same. And this is the second time that I'm associating with Balaji, and it's always great to work with Ekta ma'am and Sarita I met in this process, who I completely fell in love with. And this great team that we're all standing over here. Poppy, my best friend, she's also in the show. So it's just, I had to say this.
Okay, now the best friends will talk.
No, but it's been a great journey, and I think the story in its own, the journey of Veer and Sameera is so. I think we've all felt it somewhere or the other. We've all gone through it. There are instances and moments that we will all relate to. So it's a very real story, and I think it's as real as it gets.
Okay, Jitin.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
I'm very good, thank you.
Go on, tell us about your broken story.
Really?
Yeah, really? Yes.
Broken stories. I think.
Okay, let's twist it a little bit, because everybody's asking you about, how many hearts have you broken?
I wish.
What?
Nobody comes and tells me that.
क्या मतलब तुमने मेरा दिल तोड़ा है,
Of course not.
Actually, that's not happened ever.
That's not happened.
No, he's never had a heartbreak. He was just saying that in the morning.
You are after me after that, yeah? I will have. I think I'm going to have a heartbreak soon now. No, but if I can just take from there, I would like to say that this is my first outing with Balaji, and I'm truly very proud that I'm starting with a show like this. I'm very proud to be a part, and this whole team that stands here, I love them all. And thank you, Ekta ma'am, Sarita, Santosh sir, and the full cast.
No, ma'am.
We've had fun, and I'm telling you that this show will talk to you.
Okay, any more questions, guys?